Hello everyone, my name is Tiffani Cañez. I'm from El Centro, California, and I'm going to be a senior this following school year at Central Union High School. My interest in agriculture didn't originate out of the blue. It all began when I took AP Environmental Science this past school year, even though I have lived in an agricultural community all of my life. I enjoyed almost every subject I learned about in that class, but the agriculture chapter was the most prominent for me because it involved several aspects of environmental science, such as a relationship between two different species, the structure and distinct layers of soil, the water cycle, and various others. Since I am planning to stay in the Imperial Valley, which is where I'm from, an agriculture-related career would be ideal for me. But not everything in agriculture grabbed my attention. For a while, I had the idea of becoming an agricultural engineer. This program made me realize that agricultural engineering is not for me. Instead, I would like to study something that I knew absolutely interested me, environmental science. Environmental science is the study of how humans interact with the biotic and abiotic factors in their surroundings. That being said, agriculture was not completely forgotten in the process, because agriculture and the people involved in it have a massive impact on the environment. So I would like to focus on the relationship between the two, and possibly study environmental engineering and/or sustainable agriculture with an emphasis on water management.
I was like, one of them's alive.
During this camp, my fellow campers and I took part of many great activities that gave us plenty of insight on other agriculture-related careers. For me, my favorite part of this program was that it reinforced my prior knowledge. What I mean by that is that most of the activities we had a lot to do with what I had already learned in my environmental science class, which was awesome. As already mentioned, my peers and I participated in numerous activities, such as visiting Desert Springs Tilapia Farm and dissecting a goat's head, among others. Some of my favorite activities consist of riding a boat upon the Colorado River and learning about invasive species that would harm such ecosystems. Another one of my favorites would be visiting the Nogales cattle crossing while learning about the protocol involved in transferring cattle from Mexico to the United States. Overall, the AgDiscovery camp was so much fun. Not only was it a learning experience, but it also gave all of us the opportunity to make incredible friends. This camp also made me want to consider the University of Arizona this following school year when I began applying to colleges. I would like to thank everyone who contributed to making the past 10 days an amazing experience. This would include the advisors, counselors, and fellow campers. Thanks for listening.